Hey, what's up, guys? I'm headed down to camp. We've been having a lot of rain overnight, a lot of freezing rain, a little bit of sleet mixed in, and it's supposed to continue doing that throughout the day. I think the low tonight is going to be around 33 degrees. Everything is super wet. I'm wearing my military surplus LBE belt and suspenders with MOLLE pouches on the belt. I have my wool blanket in my canteen. My canteen is full of some liquid cheer. Maybe that'll help keep us warm tonight. So the goal for tonight is to not be cold. As you can see, I've been down here doing some work on the shelter. I got it more supported with these poles on top of rocks right there. So this is my wool blanket, and I have my Boreal 21 saw in the leather sheath. Pretty convenient like that. Oh, I got a new toy to play with. All right, let's go through what we have today. Here's my canteen. I have one cook pot. Over here in this pouch, I have my knife, more Garberg. I have small first aid kit. I have my gloves. These are some new gloves and they're warm. They're insulated on the inside, which is a plus. Leather gloves. Car keys. Let's get into the butt pack. This is my food bag with the MREs. I took it out of the original package to save space. I have a couple packs of oatmeal, coffee, sugar. I have a couple towels. One towel is going to be used primarily to keep my phone and my GoPro dry, soft, clean. Another towel for whatever I need. This is my electronic bag. I've got 2 headlamps fully charged, power bank, charging cables, GoPro case, GoPro attachments. I have my heavy cover sport, spoon sport combo, little tripod, 2 things of paracord, Another thing of paracord. TP and baby wipes. And that is it. Looks like we're going to be drinking some murky water. As you can see, I do have a little bit of firewood kindling there that I gathered when I was here last time, so that's going to help out. That's going to be a plus. Got some wood over there stacked up that's ready to go. So yeah, this is my new toy right here. This is the Gerber 17.5 inch hatchet. This thing is beefy, man. It's a lot bigger than my other one. My other one's a 14 inch. I do not like these plastic sheaths that they put on these. I do have a Cadex sheath on the way. Brand new, not a scratch on it. Sharp, right from the get-go. Sharp. So this is the Gerber. The Gerbers are always green. The Fiskars are orange. This is a Fiskars. It's the same thing. If you look right up here, it actually says Fiskars. Right there. Same exact thing. Beefier head, more weight, a little bit longer. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. On Amazon they were selling for around 60 bucks. This Gerber and the Fiskars X11. Well, the manufacturers is out of stock. So the ones that you can find on Amazon, they're trying to get $100 for them. Well, I just recently went to the Army Surplus store and I saw one of these. They had some of these there, so I grabbed it because I was beginning to think that I was not going to be able to get this. You know, either they put it back in stock or they just don't. So happy that I got this thing. I've been noticing when I come down here, I'm always looking for wood that I can get. This tree's been dead for a while. It might be too punky to burn. Oh yeah, it's rotten. Punk City right there. Right here's another one. Right there. Oh, that's tall too. I don't think I'll be able to push that over. It's pretty solid on the interior. A lot of the exterior's punky, of course. We're gonna take that. Not good, baby. Not good. That should be good. Even though I've been working a little bit, I'm getting pretty chilled and I'm thirsty. I did not pack in any water. I'm thirsty. I'm gonna have to get some water boiling here quick. My plan is to have long fires like this all night long. I've got to go get way more wood. I'm hoping this wood's not too punky to get this going. I'll look for some better wood here in a little bit. Man, this water is murky as hell. I'm gonna boil the crap out of it. I probably should strain it through something. That was boiling for a good 5 minutes. Look at how brown that water is. So now we let that cool down. And if there's any sediment in there, hopefully it'll settle to the bottom and I'll be able to drink out of it. Warm water, warm brown water. At least it's not dookie water. Maybe I'll go find some pine needles. Make some pine needle tea. So I've been cutting some wood up. I just got it leaned up against the fire reflector to get it to dry a little bit. As long as I can maintain a long fire like that, establish some coals, I need to go get some hardwood. Hoo hoo, that was close there, Mr. GoPro. Caught ya. I think I want to make a chair. I want to make a recliner. So I'm going to take this one. Well, I believe this chair is as good as it's going to get.